For phonics, today, please start with the core enhancement chart practice. So, like we've been doing this week and last week, and I believe the week before, you're going to go across the top and practice the inflected endings that are in orange. So here are the inflected endings in orange. And then you're going to sound out if you need to and read the blue words. The blue words all have an inflected ending for you to practice reading words with inflected endings. So, if I don't know what this word is, I start at the beginning and I say to myself, okay, T says T. So T, I, because there's a bossy E, D, tide. So after you've read the inflected endings to yourself and sounded out and read the blue words, practice the green words just for fun, and then read the red sentence to put all of it to practice. Then when you're done with that, go to the next slide. The learning target is I can make new words by adding word endings to a base word. We're using our inflected endings, and specifically ER and EST. So remember, when you add ER, it makes the base word mean more than something else. When you add EST, it makes the base word mean the most of something. So when you add ER to a word that has a vowel and then a consonant at the end, then you have to double the consonant before you add ER. So big is the base word. Bigger is big with ER added to the end. And then biggest is big with EST added to the end. Again, you have to double that consonant before you add the ending. Here's the word fast. With fast, you don't have to double anything, so you just add ER to make it faster and add EST to make it fastest. None of these words are words where you have to double the consonant. This is the only one, and it's done for you as an example. So read the words to yourself and then type the base word and add ER to the end. Type the base word and add EST to the end, and make sure to read them. When you're done, press the X and the blue turn in button.